This is a co-challenge for black. Black's goal is to try to save these 6 stones on the corner. Well, these 2 are already dead. So black might want to try this. But you should know that white can simply play this move to contain black. White cannot play this move, because this way black will be able to get out, or this move. You might be thinking this too. This works in a situation, but the problem is that white has 3 cutting points this way, whereas this move will only leave 2 cutting points, here and here. So it's better to play here. And in real games, you would want to connect here first, because in the end, if white cuts here, this is pretty big. White has built a wall, and this stone is largely useless. So practically speaking, black should connect here first, and white will contain black this way. But of course, the focus here is on the corner. How can black make a ko here? These 2 stones are hopeless. If you try this, then there'll be no ko to play, and black will die. If you try this clamping move, it's not enough. White can connect here. And there's, again, no way for black to win this race to capture, or to create a ko. That's why black must cut here. There's no other way. If white captures these 2, then of course black can live this way very easily. And of course white will want to capture number 3 with number 4. Now what do? Now because this is on the corner, black can start a ko this way. If white captures, how does it work? White can capture here first. And if white wins, white will kill black, like this. Pretty straightforward. However, if black captures back, what happens next? Can white connect here? The answer is yes, to keep this ko going, but it'll be risky, because now black can atari here, threatening to capture all these 7 white stones. And white can capture it back again. And if white wins this way, white can still capture this way. But if black wins now, black will get all of the corner this way. So number 12 here is actually quite a risky move, because it might sacrifice more white stones than needed. So white can also play this, but it's not a local ko threat, because black can capture this ko. And now white has to find ko threats elsewhere as well, right? So number 12 doesn't help with the ko threat. But if black wins this ko, it's better than the previous variation, because now black does not yet capture these 4 stones. And if white's ko threat is very valuable elsewhere, it should play elsewhere and leave this open, right? This move, number 17, is just a very big endgame move. And if the board is still relatively empty on the outside, then this move is not the most valuable move on the board. So this will only be a big endgame move at number 17. So white is slightly better by playing number 12 here, but it's not a local ko threat. So hopefully that sorts out this ko. And of course there's another way black can make a ko. And that is after number 5. White can stand down here, and black can make a ko at number 7 this way, threatening to capture these 4 white stones. And now white will capture this ko this way. So which way is better for white? Of course the first variation, because this way, if black captures back, black will win the ko this way. Very straightforward. White is all dead, and this is all black's territory. So that's why it's much better for white to capture here at number 6 and play this ko. So white has a chance to preserve this territory by capturing these 2 black stones. So I know this is all very nitpicky, right? Connecting here as the first move, and then deciding which ko to play, and which move can best serve white to save these 4 stones, even though these are all ko variations. But of course, that's exactly the type of thinking you need for your games. You need to maximize your benefits everywhere on the board. You need to do the same for your opponent. You have to know what your opponent's optimal moves are. Otherwise, when your opponent plays the optimal move, you might be unprepared, and that usually leads to disaster. Hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.